Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. This recipe is believed to be of Indian or North African origin. Besides being very tasty, it offers great health benefits thanks to lemon. Lemons have extraordinary medicinal power. You can take advantage of the whole lemon, but most people waste the peel, which is also very rich. This recipe will allow you to eat the lemon peel, but without it being bitter. You'll actually enjoy the taste. Here's how. Ingredients: 4 or 6 lemons, preferably organic. 1 tablespoon of sea salt per lemon. 1 jar with a lid. Instructions: cut an X into one of the lemons. Make sure it's a deep cut. Once this is done, put a little less than a tablespoonful of salt in the lemon where you made the cut. If necessary, use a spoon to push the salt into the lemon. Line the bottom of the empty jar with more salt and then add the lemon that you just filled with salt. Repeat the procedure for each lemon that you place in the glass jar. After you finish, leave the lemons inside the jar for 2 or 3 days. Every day, open the jar and press each lemon closed. Make sure they stay closed as much as possible. After 2 or 3 days, wash the lemons, remove the pulp and seeds, and enjoy the peel. It's better to cut it into small pieces. The fermentation process will give the peel a great flavor. Fermented lemon peel is much tastier than the peel of a normal lemon. Plus, the fermentation process preserves all the nutrients. Consider adding this fermented lemon recipe to your favorite dishes. You can be sure that it will be a special touch that was missing from your salad or your favorite cut of meat. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.